Hi Freema fam, this is Harsh, one of the creators of Social Hamster, and this is a very quick video, a short, I would say a brief video on how you can set up your own Social Hamster, how you can set up all the feeds that we currently support, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Dribbble and Threads, and how you can make it work without facing any issues. So let's dive in. You can open this plugin via the marketplace URL, which you will be currently right now, hopefully. If you are, you can scroll up, open plugin on any of the Framer projects that you want. If you are not, you can go to our website and you'll see this link here. You can click on this link and it will directly open up Marketplace, Framer Marketplace. Once you have opened the plugin on your own Framer project, you can either sign up for a new account. It's very quick, pretty easy. You can do it with a Google, or you can log in with your own account if you have already created one. I'll click on login. Once you click sign up with Google, you have to choose your own Gmail, and once you are done with that, you'll see this authentication banner. That means your sign-in was successful. Now you have to go back, and now this is very easy. Now comes very easy part where you can connect all these feeds that you can see very easily. We support OAuth configuration. So all of your credentials are safe. They are not with us. And it's the most safest way to connect the Instagram or any of the social feed that we support. So you'll just choose one of the social feed that you want to connect. You'll click on connect. Then you'll see this banner. This is just for us to see what the data that you want. You'll click on allow. And once you have clicked on allow, then that's it. You're done. The connection is successful. After this, you can close this window and you have to click refresh here. Once you click refresh, then you will see, okay, you are good to go. But as you can see, the post collected is 0. Now to actually sync the Instagram post that you have right now, you'll have to click this button. You just click on sync now, and within seconds it will sync. It will show how many posts do you have right now. Now let's quickly see how you can directly integrate these components on your Framer. So if I want to integrate Framer Grid, Instagram Grid, I'll click on Instagram Grid, and within seconds it will appear here. Now if you use the plugin directly, you won't have to worry about site ID, as we directly automatically fetch the site ID intelligently. So as you can see, it is automatically generated and you can see the feed right away. When I click on preview, you can see all of the feeds are directly fetching, including the reels. Now that is the good part of Social Hamster. Again, if I click on Instagram Masonry, pretty simple, right? You just click and it automatically inserts. Now to set up any of these components, you can see there are a lot of properties. Like we have decided to make these components as editable as possible. So you have the entire free hand in your own design system. You can go through these pretty easily. Like it's very easy to go through these. And if you are still facing some issues, you can go through our website. You can hover over learn and go directly to the docs. And here you can find the relevant, whatever social platform you want. Like you'll go into social. Let's say I want to see Instagram Grid. You click on Instagram Grid and there's like a complete setup on how you can do that with prop field ID. Now, again, this is not it. If you still want to make this work, you have to do one last step, which is to whitelist your domain. Now, what is whitelisting? We have tried to sort of explain it to you within the dashboard. It's like only whitelisted domains will show your Instagram account. So let's say if someone has access to your Instagram account and they connect this, you can totally control as to which URL your Instagram accounts will show. And it is very simple to do. You just have to search your URL, copy, paste it here and click on add. Now you can see like there's like I would say, syntax that we support. For that, you'll have to remove HTTP. You can directly write social 7 media. That's all. And that's it. You're good to go. Now, this feed is entirely set up according to your domain. And now you can directly hit on publish and it will show on the front end. Before I wrap this video, this will be applied to every single one of the feeds you can see. For example, if you want to connect Dribbble, you click on Dribbble, connect. You follow the same process followed on Instagram. Connection successful. Now we'll close. We'll hit refresh, and then we'll hit sync now. And that's it. Your Dribbble feed is done. It's that simple. Now, if like any of this that you want to insert, you just click here, and within seconds it's automatically inserted. We currently support these 4 social feeds, and we are planning to add X, LinkedIn, and Google reviews pretty soon. Again, this is all about the plugin. What we also do is we track your views and clicks, but that's not possible on the Framer plugin. What you'll have to do is you have to go to the dashboard. You'll have to navigate to the dashboard and sign in with your account. How you can do is simply you'll just use the same Gmail that you use for the plugin, and that's all. You've currently signed in. If you are in one of our paid plans, which is, I'll show you quickly. We have currently 2 paid plans, personal and business. So if you're in any of our paid plans, we support unlimited views. So we do not cap your views on the basis of 10,000, 20,000. No, we support unlimited views. For the free plan, we support 3,000 views just for us to cover the cost of server. Now, this is done. You are on your dashboard. You can currently see what are the connected platforms, how many total views, total clicks, and on top of that, when you click on details here, you can also see all of these components here. And if you want, you can directly copy it from here as well. So this is it about your analytics and your dashboard. Now, if you want to control your billing and settings, you can hover over your profile and you can go to settings. Here you can see you can have all the complete customization option of your profile. You can change your password and you can also do domain whitelisting from this dashboard as well. You will see one thing, if you're whitelisting a domain from the plugin, it will automatically be synced here. To control the billing, you'll click here, you'll go to the billing, and here you can see all the plan, whatever your usage are. This graph shows like how many days are like still left in your own month. So it's currently April 16 and this plan will go until the last of the month. You can see all the option here. You can click on upgrade and you can see all your billing option here. Now we are integrated with Polar. So if you want to control your billing, you'll have to directly access your Polar dashboard, which will be pretty simple to do. Once you buy any plan, you'll get an email with that link where you can access the dashboard. We also have a guide section for you to learn about integration and domain whitelisting. If you still think you have some issues understanding about domain whitelisting, we have again our doc section entirely made for all of you, so you can actually understand what's happening in Social Hampster. What we also have is feedback and roadmap. In our current roadmap, we have integrated these things, but you can also do your own. Like if you want some features for us to integrate, you can come here and you can add your own feedback. So yeah, I hope this covers all of the things. If you have any suggestions, if you have any pointers, you can mail them on our support mail, or you can directly reach out to us via the support form on our website. Yeah, looking forward for you guys to use Social Hamster on all your websites. Happy building!